Well, alright everybody, you don't know who this is. This is the Skilla. And today we are going to look at fun time in the ghetto. The idle moments, you understand? First up, I'm going to show you how these officers lose their weapon in battle. You understand? I mean, for heaven's sake. Look at this.
Madness.
Him have sense. He make sure he take off that pass. Alright. Here's another one now when you remember when the rain was falling for like 3 months or so forth back in the like November, December last year. 2017 I'm talking, right? This is the result of it. Please observe. Well, okay. Now, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with what's going on in the latest. My name is the Skilla, and this has been the Skilla Entertainment.
Madness.
No!